Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to our YouTube channel. It's called Tek It To Dem. It's about you. It's about you. We're a long time, see Jamaica, and we say, all right, we're going to take it right to you in the comforts of your home or wherever you be, you're going to view a piece of Jamaica.
Yeah, definitely. So we're two friends from years ago, and we just decided to come together and build a vibes, show the world what Jamaica still have and will forever have. Now we're gonna take it to some places where a long time you don't see them places. Chances are you have never seen them before. And this is your girl Francine, aka Michibo.
And you remember what my name? My name Raquel, and them call me Jamaican Aliberry.
Oh, no see why, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, please remember 3 things we are asking for do. For
like, subscribe, and share.
And you can drop a comment, 1 or 2 comments, and make us know how we deal with it. Oh, very important. If there's a place where you feel like say you want to know, you want to remember how it stay, feel free to
comment, send it into our comment boxes, because guess what? We want to know, we want to please you. That is our purpose. We want to please you know. You understand? Because trust me, Jamaica have so many places where enough people don't even know about, and we plan to take it to uno.
Yeah, man.
What we plan to do?
Take it to them. And look here, let me tell you something. Let me tell you this. There are things that I plan to do that even Francine don't know. You see all them tree, yeah? I feel like I want to climb all that tree.
You mean that tree, yeah? You mean that tree, yeah? Hey, Raquel, you want to climb that tree, yeah? People, like, comment, subscribe, share, watch it. Go up in it, Raquel. Raquel, if you think you're bad, me I put $1,000 upon the climb.
$1,000 no money, my girl.
How much me for put? Alright? Me I put $1,020 upon the climb. Alright, $2,000. Go up there. If you think you're bad, go up there. If you think you're bad, boss a climb. Boss a climb, Raquel, boss a climb. Hey! Boss a climb. Bossa, bossa. Go up there now. Go up there now. Raquel, go up in that.
Francine, you can't go for that.
What do you mean? How you chat about, man? Go up there.
Go up there.
Go up there.
Go up there.
How much may I get?
Lend me $1,000.
People,
yeah.
Let me tell you something. If you think you can climb a tree like this, and you think say you can compete with the big boss Raquel, make we know who are. Go up there. Go up there now. Go up there now. I eat that.
No?
I eat that.
Yeah. Raquel Russell right here in what you say name again?
I never want you see what you do over there, so that nice, you know. Sorry, me never did tell you stuff to change it, and you're gone like a behave like sking down no one. Yo, yeah, hello.
Yeah. Alright, watch out, don't carry up. Alright.
Yeah, pop it up.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is your girl Raquel Russell. Yeah, and we really want to introduce you to something where me and my friend here will deal with, and we want you to love it, you know. You try love it, you know. Alright, so really and truly, Jamaica, it's all about
So
Jamaica.
you're gonna start right over. This is your girl. Same thing where you say over there, so that was perfect. We are changed it from now. Yeah, like a dumpling.
What?
Like a dumpling. Like you
I
cut
said
it.
dumpling. Alright.
Yeah, but you knead it up like a caramel dumpling.
Yeah. So you're not like, alright.
No, the same thing when you do over there, so was perfect. I stop change. How much introduction you go want to do? We are going to spend the whole day and some people hungry.
You know, so all the while I'm not like work with
It's
you.
not a matter of no work, but if you're going to do it, just do it good and done. Because you're done over there, so you do it good. And it sounds good. You come now, yeah. Well, that don't make sense. And then you complain about, I really mean, I have
activate my sinus. Hold on, activate my sinus. Good. And that for each man.
Need to fix the road them though. Raquel and your people them run and say not talk to them though. Olympics.
Yeah.
In the next.
Woo.
In the next.
Yeah.
Raquel, you know, so you come out of the car, you can't get up, you know. Jaja.